the new book of class 9th physics, and the first chapter is nature of physics. In this chapter we shall discuss the nature of physics, that basically what is the meaning of this subject and what we can achieve after reading physics. So starting from the very basics, physics is derived from Greek word physikos meaning natural and physis meaning nature, is a fundamentally the study of nature. Getting into physics is like starting an exciting adventure that helps us understand the world and everything in it. So basically the thing is that whenever we study physics, which means that we are going to study nature and everything within nature or within that universe or within that particular phenomena. It connects what we see and do everything with the big questions about the universe, and it also answers the questions related to the universe, Big Bang theory or black holes, galaxies, ready to explore how and why things work. Now the author asking you, are you ready to explore the new world? Let us set off on this journey together, discovering the amazing rules that explain everything in the universe. So now on we will study the amazing rules that explain everything in the universe. So the first question is actually why we study physics. The goal of physics is to gain a better understanding of the world in which we live. So basically the goal of reading physics or studying physics is that we better understand the laws or understanding of the world which we are currently living. Observe the things around you. Have you ever considered why and how things around you work? After studying physics, we will be able to analyze the things around us. The laws of physics help us to answer questions like those given below. So after reading physics or the laws of physics will help us to know the basic questions. For example, here is the first question, which is how do fireworks work? What is launched in the sky to make such beautiful display? So this is a genuine question, that how the fireworks work. It is basically the thing which we see often on celebrations or on a new year. So we did not pay any attention to it, but it is a very beautiful concept behind it. Basically it is a combination of different substances. We will study it in later. The next question is, how does your mobile phone actually work? How does a mobile phone function without wires? Another question is that how mobile phone actually works without a wire. It is a very interesting question. Gone are the days when there are long cables are attached for the internet. Nowadays you have access to the internet without any physical connection, rather than how do SMS go to our phone? The next question is, how do SMS service works in our phone? The next question is, how does email from your desktop get to a friend halfway around the world? You click one button, send, and the email has gone to your friend. How does actually this work? The next question is, how does a telescope function? How we can see star and galaxies which are far beyond our vision. The next question should be, how we can see bacteria which are out of our human eyes vision. So how can we see it? So these are the basic 4 questions that we should have to ask to ourselves, or the laws of physics will help us to answer these questions. The next question is sorry, what is physics? Basically, these are the applications of physics. You can see these 4 are applications of physics. So how do they actually work? So if we go in a brief, as I already explained, that this thing work on different combination of substances. This is combination of radio waves, you can say. This is electronic waves, again work on the same principle of internet. And in this instrument we use lenses to see stars and galaxies which are far beyond our vision. So this is the basic thing. Now the next question is physics. What is physics? Now the author is asking you that what is actually physics. Physics is an exciting journey into understanding everything that exists, from the smallest particle to the vast stretches of the cosmos. He is saying that from everything is physics, the limit is yours. ठीक है. At its heart, physics is about discovering how things are made, which is matter, what drives them, which is energy, where they happen, which is space, and when, which is time. So basically matter, energy, space and time is physics. These 4 pillars are closely linked, showing us the universe operates. Matter is the substance of. Now he is going into the in depth of these definitions. First of all, he is going to discover matter. Matter is the substance of all physical object, interacts through energy, the catalyst that initiate change and movement. These interactions occur within space. The vast expanse that hosts everything from particle to planet. Time measures the progression of event, allowing us to understand the sequence of duration of changes in the universe. The integration of matter, energy, space and time forms the core of physics, providing a comprehensive framework to reveal the natural complexity of the world. So physics is defined as the branch of science that study matter, energy, space and time, along with how they interact and connect with each other. So this is basically a simple definition of physics. It often regarded as the most fundamental of the natural sciences, serve as the backbone of our understanding of the universe. Imagine throwing a ball using a flashlight or watching the star at night. Each of these activities involve physics in action, revealing the invisible rules that govern how objects move, how light travel, and how gravity pulls things together. So basically he is saying that everything that we see around us is actually due to physics or due to laws of physics, and everything in the universe is actually according to the laws of physics. By exploring these connections, physics help us make sense of the world and beyond. Piecing together the intricacies of our universe in a way is both fascinating and deeply informative. So here is basically the diagram which helps us to understand that how actually things work. The first thing is physics is the study of matter, and matter can be studied in terms of its properties relationship with energy. On the other hand, energy can be studied in terms of relationship with matter and its properties. So basically matter and energy are interchangeable things, and both these things can be studied in the field of general physics, thermal physics, light waves and sound, electricity and magnetism, radioactivity. So these are the basic or the core the branches of physics. So this is basically the intro lecture of our today lecture, that we discuss that how the things around us are connected to the physics, and how the things are in to the order due to the laws of physics. In our next lecture, we will discuss physics as subset of physical and natural sciences.